We're here at Indian Creek Country Club golf course, doing a pump out on some tanks. About 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning. We're already here doing the pump out.